Get a feel for the 2021 GMC Acadia. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the journey in comfort and security in this well-equipped Acadia. Spacious, smooth riding, and loaded with desirable passenger amenities and safety features, this family-focused vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, third row seat. Start planning family adventures in this comfortable, tech-savvy Acadia. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.